A God Word This. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Me have one question for you. If you believe, say Jesus a who him say him be, you follow the something them when him tell you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your gotta talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends them. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, now is a good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right here so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Mark chapter 11 from verse 27 to verse 33. Jesus and his follower them go back to Jerusalem. When Jesus did a walk in a yard where God house there, the head priest, law teacher, and the elder them come to him and ask him, say, what right you have to do the insignia? And who give the right to do them? Jesus said to them, say, make me ask you now one question. Answer me, and me will tell you now who give me the right to do the insignia. When John did baptize people, who did send him to do it? God or man? Them start work it out amongst them one another. Hear them now? If we say a God, he might go ask we say, then what make you never believe him? But if we say a man, them did afraid of the people them, cause the whole of them did think said John I did one prophet. So then said to Jesus, say, we don't know. So Jesus said to them, say, then me not go tell you no who give me the right for do the insignia neither. I God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.